Hi guys, this is Thomas from Support. Today we're talking about how to take pictures outdoors. Outdoors under normal light conditions, use the flash override shutter button. It is located right beneath the flash shutter button. Just press it all the way to take your picture. There are some outdoor situations that might need flash. For example, for portraits when not much light is available, or the subject is backlit, or when your subject is located in a doorway or under a bridge. To learn more about it, check out our video on how to take pictures with the flash shutter button.